In this Namecheap tutorial video, I'm going to be going over how to buy domain and hosting from Namecheap step by step from start to finish. I'll also be providing you with a Namecheap discount that will save you money on your Namecheap web hosting purchase, plus get you a free domain name or a domain name discount. Let's get started with the Namecheap hosting tutorial going over how to buy domain and hosting from Namecheap. The first thing you want to do to buy domain and hosting from Namecheap is to click the link in the description below so you can be taken to Namecheap and so you can get a Namecheap discount and save money on your Namecheap web hosting purchase, plus get a free domain name or domain name discount. I've included the domain name promo code next to the link in the description. A little disclosure, the link is an affiliate link, meaning I receive a commission from Namecheap at no extra cost to you. Plus you get an awesome Namecheap discount. Once you click the link in the description below, you'll be on the Namecheap web hosting page. You'll see 3 different plans you can choose from: the Stellar, Stellar Plus, and Stellar Business Plan. You'll see the billing cycle is set to yearly by default. If you click this, you can change the term to monthly, yearly, or every 2 years. Monthly plans, you won't receive a discounted price, and the free domain name isn't included. The yearly term, you'll get a great Namecheap discount. The 2-year term, you'll save the most money on your Namecheap hosting purchase. If you click data center location, you can choose the data center you want. The cost of the plans will vary depending on the data center you choose. I'm going to select the US data center. Next, let's go over the Namecheap plans. The Stellar plan, you get a free domain name on select domain extensions listed here, and free domain privacy if going within annual term. It includes 3 websites, 20 GB SSD storage, AI tools, and 30 domain-based mailboxes. The Stellar Plus plan, you'll receive a free domain name and domain privacy if going within annual term. This plan comes with unlimited websites, unmetered SSD, unlimited domain-based mailboxes, AI tools, and auto backup. The Stellar Business plan comes with a free domain name and domain privacy if going within annual term. This plan comes with unlimited websites, 50 GB SSD storage, unlimited domain-based mailboxes, AI tools, and auto backup and cloud storage. Click the Get Started button on the plan you want to select. I'll choose the Stellar plan for this tutorial. You'll now be on the domain name connection page. You can select new domain name or existing domain name if you already have one. I'm going to select new domain name, scroll down to the Find a Domain Name. Enter in the domain name that you'd like to have. Once you type it in, it'll begin checking to see if that domain is available. If it's available, you'll see the green check mark and your domain showing green. You can scroll through the domain extensions if you'd like. You'll notice it'll give you lots of domain extensions for free. You won't receive top-level domain extensions like .com, .net, .org, and more for free. You'll see on my .com domain the cost for the year. I've included a domain promo code you can enter at checkout with a link in the description to save you more money than the price you see here. We'll be entering that promo code in the next section. Go ahead and click Connect to Hosting to proceed. You'll see the new domain name and the price. You'll see the total amount for your Namecheap purchase. Click the Add to Cart button. You'll see the promo code section over to the right. Enter the promo code I've included in the description with the link. Click Apply. You'll see a notification showing up here at the top. You just need to create a free Namecheap account to use the promo code. I'm going to click Create a Free Account. Input the information you'd like. Click Create Account and Continue. Paste the promo code. Click Apply. You'll now see the discount amount showing. Click Confirm Order to proceed. Next, you can change the term for your domain name if you'd like. If you click 1 year, you can select how many years you want to purchase your domain name for. Next to it, you can toggle on Auto Renew if you'd like so that the domain auto renews at the end of the term. You'll see domain privacy being enabled. I recommend keeping this enabled as it keeps your personal information private and secure so that spammers and telemarketers don't get a hold of your personal information and start calling you and emailing you about offers of their services. This comes free. You can toggle auto renew to on if you'd like. Next, you'll see premium DNS. You can choose to enable this or not. This is an extra cost. Premium DNS delivers 100% DNS uptime and DDoS protection with ultra-fast DNS responses worldwide. Next, if you click 1 year, you can change the term for your Namecheap hosting. You can toggle auto-renew on or off. If you scroll down to improve your site, you'll see some Namecheap extras. All of these are completely optional and up to you whether you want any of them. Business email is email ending in your domain name. You get free email accounts with the Stellar plan and unlimited with the Stellar Plus and Stellar Business. This isn't necessary unless you need more than the 30 that the Stellar plan comes with. The WordPress hosting is if you want to use Namecheap's WordPress hosting for your site. It costs more than the Namecheap shared hosting price. You can launch and host your WordPress site in less than 30 seconds with it instead of installing it with the one-click WordPress install. Rank Higher in Search provides you with a dashboard that will give you customized SEO tasks and step-by-step guides, plus competitor tracking. Next is SSL. Namecheap does come with a free Let's Encrypt SSL certificate for your site, so this add-on is if you want to purchase an SSL certificate from them. You get the SEO boost with the free Let's Encrypt SSL certificate. Premium DNS will give you 100% uptime guarantee, faster DNS speeds for website speed, and it secures your domain and closes any security gaps. You won't have to worry about data leaks and lost connections to your site with this add-on. You'll see Boost Your Social Media. This allows you to use AI to create posts in seconds. Auto-publish to Facebook, Instagram, X, LinkedIn, and Google Business Profile in one simple dashboard. Next is Review Manager. This lets you monitor customer feedback, respond fast using templates, get new reviews, and keep improving with AI insights within its dashboard. Next is SiteLock Website Protection. This will protect your website with continuous threat monitoring, instant malware removal, vulnerability patching, and a real-time trust badge showing your customers they're safe. Click the Confirm Order button when you are ready to proceed. You'll not want to log in if you already have a Namecheap account or create an account over to the right. Click the Create Account and Continue button to proceed. Next, you want to enter your payment information in. You can pay via card by entering your card information in. You can select PayPal or account funds. You can make a payment via Bitcoin with account funds. If you click account funds, this notice that shows up, you can click Add Funds. You just want to be logged in with the login details you use for creating your Namecheap account. You could then add funds via card, PayPal, or Bitcoin. Scroll down and it'll list out the receipt details. You can select the drop down if you need to change this. Scroll down and you'll see the renewal settings for your purchase. You can select or unselect how you want to. When you are done, click the Continue button. You'll now be on the Order Review page. Scroll down to the bottom and accept the terms and conditions. Click the Pay Now button to complete your Namecheap purchase. The Namecheap order will now begin processing. When it's done, you'll be on the Thank You for Your Purchase page. Namecheap will now email you your receipt. That's all there is to it. That is my Namecheap tutorial on how to buy domain and hosting from Namecheap. Give this video a thumbs up and leave us a comment. Let us know if the tutorial was helpful or not, as the comments help improve our tutorials. Be sure to subscribe to our channel for more Namecheap hosting tutorial videos.